Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video of the Roadhouse cocktails. In this video I'm going to show you how to make beautiful Brugal Breezer. So the Brugal Breezer is a long glass, of course, as many of the Roadhouse cocktails. So we're gonna need our hurricane glass. This time we're gonna put a little bit of fresh mint in there. Don't forget to clean your bar. Awesome. Now we're gonna put 20 ml of a coconut puree. We're gonna add some crushed ice, just a little bit. And now we're gonna put our liquid coconut around 12.5. After that we're gonna need our lime juice, which will be 25 ml. And after that we're gonna do a little small show for our customers. We're gonna need to put Brugal 37.5. There you go. As soon as we put everything in there, I say everything, drop. Perfetto. Then we're gonna top it up with the ginger beer, just a little bit, and we're going to churn it really precisely. There we go. Then cup it up. Straw, and as a garnish, it can go beautiful mint with the lime, for example. An easy cocktail, Brugal Breezer, ready to dance. So let me explain what basically I did it while I was making this cocktail. So we need hurricane glass from this position into this hand. So again I did my thumb roll and then over the shoulder into this hand for a double spin. Then this glass is ready on this side, so now I can grab the mint from this part, let's say handful of mint. After you put your mint in there, then we're going to put it on the bar top, and in the same way we can do a wow effect for a customer, so we can throw flat and catch in it reverse our puree flair, so it's gonna look like this. And as soon as you catch it, you can straight away start pouring. Okay, so you pour your puree. After that, you still can hold the glass. You can grab it, fill it up with the crushed ice. After you put your crushed ice, beautiful. And now you're going to show the people that it's going Malibu, because everybody loves Malibu. So you do a simple stall from the back bar. You show there is a Malibu in there, all right? Or maybe you can twist it into their perspective, all right? And now simple half spin into the pour, and it looks like this. Then you can go behind the back, for example, put it back, of course, nicely, yeah. After that we're gonna need 25 ml of lime juice, which will be spinning just like that into this stall. Then it comes to the beer grip and a reverse pour, just like this. Nice 25 ml, there you go. Now it comes to the little show. People are excited, they're gonna have a drink. So now we can do a little sequence which is gonna look like this. Swipe through, flat throw, catching it under the hand, pour it nicely, 25 ml, bounce it, now double spin to the back. And from this position, we're gonna start twisting the shaker and pouring another 12.5 to finish with a 37.5. There you go. As soon as we put everything in there, and now we have to just fill it up with the ginger beer. Now we're going to churn it. So again, the same like with the raspberry-licious, we moving napkin and the straw with the thumb roll into the glass and it looks smoothly like this. After that, simple going back in this way like a raspberrylicious, or we can use help of the Marian Becker's famous move, which looks like this. After you cup it, you see there is still napkin. They look like you are dirty bartender. No, you're not. You're gonna clean everything around, put it here, and now it comes to straw and a garnish. After you put your garnish, your disco Brugal Breezer is ready to go. Trust me, this cocktail is really yummy. It's kind of a young cocktail from the Roadhouse cocktails, but it's really, really good. So give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Sikky and here is the link to subscribe. If you do like my videos, do that and also ring that bell so you're gonna get notified for my new upcoming videos. Till next time, be awesome, keep practicing, keep drinking, and see you next Tuesday.